Acupressure is a traditional healing art. The Acupressure Institute of California says that performing acupressure can initiate a self-healing process inside the body. Most of us rely on antidepressants blindly to bust our stress and gain quick relief from depression, overlooking the various side effects that tag along.
You can perform acupressure during leisure and with free hands to drive out depression and bring in a sense of well-being. Our body has many pressure points where you must apply pressure for at least 2 to 3 minutes each. Let us look at some pressure points. You can select 2 or 3 only, where you can perform a simple acupressure and calm your distressed mind.
Acupressure does not have any side effects. Moreover, there is no limit on how many acupressure exercises you can perform in a day, and these exercises are extremely easy to self-administer.
Pressure points for treating depression. In order to relieve depression, it is immensely important to find out the cause behind depression. The cause behind your depression can be anything, including stress and anxiety. You also need to remember that it is not important to work with all the pressure points over your body. Sometimes stimulating only a few points can provide a great relief. Here are some of the pressure points you can use to treat depression.
Gates of consciousness. This pair of pressure points lies just below the skull, in the slight depressions between the neck muscles. They are about 2 or 3 inches apart, but this may vary with the size of the head. To locate the depressions, place both palms on the neck and move your head forward and backward. Besides giving relief from depression, it can also cure headaches, irritability and stiff necks.
3-mile point. One of the most used points to treat depression is the 3-mile point that lies in the leg. It lies on the front side of your leg, exactly 4 fingers widths below the kneecap in the depression that is present between the shin bone and leg muscle. You may use your fingernail or thumbnail for this point, as it will help you apply an accurate pressure closer to the bone. Besides helping in counteracting depression, this point can eliminate fatigue and increase your stamina.
Anterior Summit. This pressure point is also present on the head. This lies exactly 1 inch in front of the 100-mile point. Once you locate the 100-mile point, move your fingertips about 1 inch forward and apply pressure to get rid of depression, headaches and vertigo.
Sea of Tranquility. The Sea of Tranquility point can help remove any emotional problems. It gets rid of nervousness, depression, grief and other such problems. This point lies on the chest, exactly at the center of the breastbone, sternum, midway on the imaginary line joining both nipples. The location is about 3 thumb widths upwards from the base of the sternum.
Lheenga. This point complements its name very well, for it helps you let go of all your negative emotions and feelings. Hold the Lheenga points on either side, breathe in and then breathe out all your frustrations, anger and sadness too. This point is located on top of the chest, 4 finger widths from the armpit fold and 1 finger width inwards, and should be about 3 finger width below the collarbone on both right and left sides.
Pericardium 6 or inner gate. Locate this point on your inarm by measuring 3 finger widths from the wrist crease. You need to apply pressure over the soft space that is present between the 2 tendons. This exercise will relieve insomnia, palpitations, anxiety, nausea and emotional imbalances.
Third eye. For this exercise, you need to keep your palms in prayer position and then lift them to your forehead. Now you can use your index and middle fingers to touch your third eye, which is located exactly between your eyebrows. The exercise can help you relieve nervousness and calm your body.
Do's and don'ts. When using pressure points to relieve depression, it is important to apply pressure on the correct spots. Make sure that you use only the second knuckle and your fingertips to apply pressure. Also make sure that you perform these exercises in a relaxing, quiet place that is away from distractions.